everybody, this is Juliana and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a small haul to share with you. Today I have a whole video to share with you guys. I want to share with you some Christmas cards that I got and also some wedding ones because Christmas is right around the corner and I found some very beautiful cards on Etsy. So I'm going to go ahead and link the shop below so you guys can check out all the different types of cards they have. They have like wedding invitations, kind of like souvenir invitations and cards as well. These are all completely handmade and they are 3D pop-up cards. So that's the great thing about this. So those are really my favorite cards to get for people. And they're made of all kinds of papers and everything. So for my scrapbooking lovers out there, I think you're going to really like these cards. They also do custom orders and wholesale inquiries as well too. So if you wanted to get a bunch for like Christmas gifts, or even for like a wedding, if you're planning a wedding and you want to do some invitations, definitely check out their shop. So look how cute they package these. I absolutely love this. Kind of makes me feel like it's Christmas already, and though it's right around the corner, I'm so excited. They package this so lovely with this beautiful paper. Their Etsy shop, it's an international one, so they're from Ukraine, and so that's where these products come from. And I just absolutely love Etsy shops because everything is handmade and it just comes from a lot of different places and they're very unique. So I definitely love shopping on Etsy when it comes to gifts. Yes. So they sent me some wedding invitation samples to share with you guys. So I think this is one of them. And it comes in a really nice envelope with the cute little heart opening here. And I wish I would have known about this shop when I was planning my wedding last year, but that's okay. Oh my goodness, you guys. Look at this invitation. Okay, hold on a second. Let me just, this is the front. Oh my goodness. Like, I saw this on the picture, but it doesn't even compare. You can't make justice in the photo because this is wonderful. So this is a simple invitation. It's the September 17, 2017. And I am definitely going to tell my sister about this because my sister is getting married next summer. And she is doing the wedding planning. And I need to tell her about this invitation. So that's another reason why I wanted the wedding invitation samples. Look at this, you guys. Can you see how that opens? It's like 3D effect pop-up. How beautiful would be to get this invitation. Oh my goodness, this is absolutely stunning. I don't even know how they make this. This is just super wonderful. It's a bride and a groom inside their little gazebo there. How lovely is that? Here in the back, it says together with their families and then their names, and then you can add your wedding information about the venue. And that is wonderful. I absolutely love this. This is so, to me, it's kind of vintage inspired. I love the colors and everything. Oh, and it has, you can actually take these out. So, invitation card, kind of like a file, like a little file. So this is the invitation card. And then you have your RSVP and meal card. How lovely is this? And then you have the accommodations. I love this. And then you can put them back in and it becomes a little file. Oh my goodness. I wish I would have done my invitations like this. This is just very wonderful. And it can sit nicely so you can display it in your table or your desk or anywhere. How adorable is that? So here are some more of wedding invitation samples. So let me go ahead and open them up. They all come with this cute little heart opening in there. I love the paper texture is kind of very strong and very nice. I love that, and I love that it's ivory. Just very, very beautiful. Look how gorgeous this one is. Oh my goodness. So this one is in like a lilac color, and it pops up like this. So gorgeous. Oh my goodness. I love paper crafting cards, and this is amazing. So this one has the groom and the bride inside different type of gazebo altar there. How beautiful is that? And again, it sits very nicely. Just very, very nice. And this one in the back has the card with the ceremony information and reception, which is really nice as well. And I think you can take this out as well too through there. So that's really nice. I love this. This is so, so beautiful. I am definitely sharing these with my sister. She's gonna love that. And oh, look at this. So this is kind of similar. So I thought it was the same, but it's not. So this one's in like a red color, but the bride and the groom are in different position as in this one. Can you guys see? Just lovely. Very gorgeous. I really love the red color one. Just really nice. And I like how it has the date and the month there. And the card in the back, it's a little bit different. It's much smaller, but it's cut out very beautifully on the sides. Just really, really nice. I love that. And I think this is one more wedding. Gorgeous. This one is gold. Oh, very beautiful. Super, super nice. So this one is similar. So this one is just like this one, but it's a different color. Isn't that gorgeous? I think this would be so nice for a winter wedding or like Christmas wedding around the Christmas time. I love this. It is absolutely stunning. And the back on this one has the full card. Oh, and this one is in the file kind of format here. So you have your accommodation card, and that's some of the print. Very beautiful. I love the colors. And you have your RSVP and meal card. Very beautiful too. And the invitation card parts. I love this. Honestly, I think I love all three. I think I love all. Oops, is this the same way it was? I love all three of them. I think they all three have the information that you need for sure. And I love the colors. So let me show you again what this look like. So here are these, and then this very beautiful one. I love, love all of them. I think this one's my favorite just because I love the type of gazebo it has, but I think they're all so beautiful. So here's some of the beautiful Christmas cards that they offer. Absolutely stunning. I am so excited. I am going to be giving away one of these cards to a lucky winner. If you want to participate on this giveaway, make sure that you are a subscriber. Make sure you like the video and leave a comment and let me know which card is your favorite card, and I will pick up a winner in a couple of days. So look at these beautiful cards here. So stunning. I am loving all of them. So I'm going to start with this one here. This one has the Virgin Mary and Jesus. So it pretty much has like the nativity set here. Okay, so look at the details on this card. Merry Christmas! I love it. It's one of my favorite times of the year. This is stunning. And this is the back of it. So you can write your message in the back. And then it says Merry Christmas on the side. And we're going to go ahead and pop it up. Whoop! Look at that, you guys. So beautiful. I love this. Can you see? So flats down like this, and then you pop it up, and it has gorgeous detail. This baby Jesus and Mary and Joseph and the angels. This is absolutely amazing. I think anybody will love a card like this. Very gorgeous. My goodness, I love this, and it sits so nicely, so it could definitely be displayed at the house. Very, very beautiful. I love that one. Then I'm going to open this one. This one has an envelope here in the back to add it, and the back looks the same way as the other one. And this one is a Happy New Year card, actually, and it looks like the Christmas tree in New York. So stunning. It pops up like this, super 3D. It is absolutely beautiful. I love the cutout of the bells and the leaves, the cute angels in gold. This is just beautiful. My goodness. You guys see them? They don't even look like cards. They look like, I don't know, Christmas displays. So lovely. I love this one. And then here are, let's see, here are 3 of Happy New Year ones. And it looks like they're all the same, except the color's different. So this here, so here's a little card for the message, and look at this. Oh my goodness, I love that. So it has the Christmas tree on the inside with a lot of snowflakes around. It says Happy New Year's on the side. Just very, very stunning. I love this. And there is one. Here's the other one with the envelope and the greeting card. And this one is in gold. Oh, just lovely. Isn't it just beautiful? And I love that you can see it in both sides. That is really, really nice. And here is the blue one with the card. And look at this. Love, love this. I love this color so much. How beautiful. Oh my goodness. I am so speechless at these beautiful Christmas cards. I think they are absolutely breathtaking, and it just makes the perfect gift for Christmas, New Year's, and for anybody that is getting married. Definitely the great place to get some wedding invitations. So these are very, very lovely. I'm going to go ahead and leave the link of their Etsy shop below so you guys can check them out. Be sure to enter the giveaway if you want to win one of these cards, and leave your comment down below. And I'll be back with you all with a couple of other videos. Take care. Bye-bye.